This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start Toyota Corolla Hybrid updated. Open the hood, locate the hybrid system and the 12V auxiliary battery, keep ignition off, and ensure both vehicles are in park with parking brakes engaged. Connect jumper cables red to positive, then black to chassis ground, start donor vehicle for a few minutes, then start the hybrid, remove cables in reverse order, and close the hood securely. Before attempting a jump start, check the owner's manual for model-specific warnings and hybrid system notes. Wear eye protection, avoid sparks near the battery, and never connect cables to the hybrid battery itself unless specified. If the vehicle shows warning lights after starting, let it idle and consult a technician as needed, and avoid repeated attempts that can damage electronics. Always use quality jumper cables and a reliable donor vehicle. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. On another note, check out the product seen here. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, great for busy garages and quick cleanups. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thank you for the support, thanks again. Now let's get back to the video. Locate the 12V auxiliary battery under the hood or in the trunk access area, and identify positive and negative terminals clearly. Use the red clamp on the positive terminal of the donor, then the positive on the Corolla, then black to a grounded metal point on the Corolla away from the battery. Start the donor, let it charge the 12V system for 3 to 5 minutes, then attempt to start the hybrid following proper cable removal order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.